could you do this to me? I left my house. I failed school. I took on a second job just to support us. I risked my family's reputation in the community just to be with you, and now you want to leave me?
That's the problem. Your family will never approve of me, and my family will never approve of you. I think it's for the best that we just break up. By the way, my parents are sending me to Cambodia next month, and I'm going to choose a bride over there. I'm going to go because I want to make them happy. I think this is the best thing for me and my family right now.
What do girls in Cambodia have that I don't have?
Nothing. I'm just tired of arguing with my family. I want to make peace with them. Plus, all you and I do nowadays is argue. I know what's gotten into you. Ever since you started college, you changed so much. We both just have to move on.
How could you say these things to me? I thought you said you loved me.
You just don't understand. You just have to move on.
No, we won't.
Con mà lên mẹ.
Dạ.
Con đã riêng anh đi.
Phong.
Mẹ con thơ mà hộp trộn mà.
Con mẹ.
Dạ.
I'm not going to school anymore. I dropped out last week. It's too hard. I know, but all the kids are smarter than me. And I'm working 2 jobs. I still can't pay rent. I'm broke. And people broke up with me. People broke up with me today. I know, but you guys wouldn't let us date and we were in love with each other.
Mẹ phép cô này thật khơi nhé. Mới hai Paul là vậy con thầu tuồng này. Mẹ phép con thật cầm oi miên cu sang xa bị pro con khmei. Hay mũi té con pong ở riêng. Hay con nó từ thơ chẳng tiệt. Con từ chê hay mơ ạ. Mẹ pa thầu từ tuồng mày. Khma kê à mà một kê bị pro con.
That's never supported us though.
Bà con mơ. Mẹ thơ ca pi thần đọc mong mẹ miên pê vì liên ná màu quên mơ con phải buồn màu nữa.
Hey Lily, what's going on?
What are those? Are those pills in your hands? What are you doing? Please speak to me. Tell me what's wrong.
I understand, Janita. You're perfect. I have a great boyfriend, a wonderful life, and a great family. I don't have any of that. I just feel so alone right now.
I know you do, Nali. I can see you're going through a rough time right now. But you know what? I've been there before. If I ended my life a long time ago, I would have never experienced the things that I've been given the chance to.
I don't believe you, Cheetah, but I'm so bleak right now. I don't see anything in my future.
I know you're frustrated and I know you feel lonely. But you know what? Who knows what the future might hold for you?
I want to get better, but I don't know how.
I know you do. I know you really want to. And I'll be by your side the whole way. Oh, what a day today at school. Hey! You know what? You're looking much better. How are you feeling?
It's been hard, but I've been taking it day by day.
Yeah, well, that sounds great. You know what? You've been so busy I barely even see you anymore. What have you been up to?
Well, I went to Fook Mental Health Association and they gave me a bunch of pamphlets on stress management. They suggested that I write in a stress journal. I've been going back to the gym and I've started running again.
And how's the relationship with the family?
Well, my parents and I had dinner last weekend at that new restaurant down the street, and we talked about my suicide attempt. My mom's been really supportive. My dad's kind of in denial. But next week we're going to go to a family counselor to discuss what happened.
Have you heard anything from Vibolia?
No, but he's probably in Cambodia now, married to his new wife. But you know what? I realize we're two different people who wanted different things in life.
I'm glad you're over him. It seems like you're happy.
Hey, I've been indoors all day. I want to get outside. Do you want to go see a movie?
You know what? I'd actually like that. How about we go now?
Hey, Shanita?
Yeah?
I just really want to thank you for showing me that there's life beyond the rain.
Mình